degree does not guarantee income anymore. Yes, that is true. Skills matter more now. This is important. Many people still believe education equals income. But that is not always true today. Strange, but real. Companies are changing. They are looking for results. Not just certificates. Not just papers. Now think about this. 2 people apply for a job. One has a degree. The other has real skills. Who wins? Wow, you already know the answer. The one who can create value. The one who can solve problems. That is who gets paid. This does not mean degrees are useless. No. But skills are now more powerful. Especially in the AI era. So let me ask you, what are you building? A certificate? Or real ability? The future pays for value. Not just titles. This is FutureCapital.
Thank you for being part of FutureCapital. You are not just watching, you are building your future. Subscribe and stay ahead. See you in the next video.